one other error video. If you are trying to open YouTube app on Chrome browser and you are facing the problem not loading or not working, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. First, when you are facing this problem, then click on the three dotted button and go to the setting of the browser and then scroll down and click on the about browser and check the browser is updated to the latest version. If it is not updated in latest version, then update it. Otherwise, follow the next step. Next is click on the privacy and security option and scroll down and go to the site setting and scroll down and go to the JavaScript and allow JavaScript. After doing this step, check the problem. If it is persists, then next is again go to the privacy and security and click on the delete browsing data and select advanced and select all time and delete the data. After doing this step, check the problem. If it persists, then next is click on the extensions and then disable one by one extension and check the problem. After doing this step, check the problem. If it persists, then next is again go to the three dotted button and click new incognito window and try to open here YouTube. If this method is not working, then next is check your internet connection. If found any issue in internet, then fix the internet issue and check the problem. So by this way you can fix the problem. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.